The Jamaica Labour Party launched its manifesto in St. James on Sunday. Dubbed I Choose Jamaica, the next chapter, the manifesto promises, among other things, to move the income tax rate to 15% if the JLP forms the next government. Kelisha Williams has the overview.
A sea of green in Sam Sharp Square, St. James, Sunday night. An unusual venue for a general election manifesto launch. But for the Jamaica Labour Party, it was the perfect place to reach the people.
What we're not going to do is launch our manifesto in an air-conditioned hotel room with some tapanaris people as if a them one matter. You, the people, matter, starting right here in Sam Sharp Square.
And Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness made sure the people was a part of his presentation, from his grand entrance to this. Chairperson of the JLP's Manifesto Committee, Kamina Johnson-Smith, drove that point home in pointing out that two manifestos are being launched for the party. One for the overall plans and another one that focuses solely on education.
We have plans for everyone. We have something for the farmer. We have something for the tourism worker. We have something for the entrepreneur.
But it was the proposed changes to the income tax rate that left many people talking.
Over time, we will reduce the base rate of personal income tax from 25% to 15% on a phased basis and shift gradually from direct to indirect taxation, which will allow hard-working Jamaicans to keep more of their paycheck.
And speaking of income tax, the JLP is also promising an income tax relief for senior citizens. According to the party, it will exempt Jamaicans 65 years and older from paying income tax and also exempt their pension from tax, provided that their annual earnings do not exceed 6 million Jamaican dollars. Now to housing and land titles. In addition to building 60,000 new homes,
in the next administration, we will do 25,000 titles per year under this new law that we created. So every Jamaican can get a title, a diagram, a surveyed area of the land that they own. And we will launch a 1 in 5 and a 2 in 10 program, so that teachers and nurses and members of the security forces working in the public sector can receive a 1% mortgage interest reduction after 5 years and 2% interest reduction after 10 years. That is on top of the already low interest rates that the NHD gives.
The party also made a pledge to young people.
We will be given a one-time annual grant of $100,000 to our students who are in good standing with their student loans.
As for agriculture,
a lot of you want to get involved in agriculture. You don't have any land. This Jamaica Labour Party government is going to put an agro park in every single parish. So if you want to farm, we will provide the land.
plans too for the creative industry, among them 24-hour entertainment zones in key urban areas, the creation of 100 creative villages island-wide, and
a brand new JCDC HQ and Jamaica's first dancehall museum and training center.
The 100-page document is available on the JLP's website and has special features to facilitate persons with disabilities. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.